We're gonna do a roll race. 1, 2, 3. You trying to race?
What do you got?
125.
125, two-stroke?
We're gonna meet him too, the 250.
Oh, 250 smoke.
It beat you?
I'm surprised, you surprised too. I'm at a 700.
Damn.
So,
Let's do it again.
alright, you wanna go over there?
Well, yeah, we'll start like right there and go this way.
Alright.
Let's get it. Alright gang, we're about to hit a little race. At 250, we're versus a 700cc Raptor or something? Something like that. What?
From a roll or from?
From a dig. We'll do a roll next if we want. Who should start it? Bro, we whooping. Let's go. I beat him, yeah. You beat me by like, I don't know, 10 bike legs. Yeah. Off the start, once I hit like 65, then it's like, ew. Hey, from a roll. All right, we're gonna do a roll race. 1, 2, 3. Damn, I will whoop that 700, bro. Bro, that thing is quick. God damn. Yeah. Bro, yeah, that's a lot slower than I expected.
That's what I thought. I'm like, man, this is a 700, I got this.
You know, like, what's the top speed on that around? Probably like 90, 80?
Me and the White Ranger, he was going at 80 or 2 passes. So I say about 90, 100.
Damn. Yeah. I know my bike, ow! I know my bike didn't like that, but trying to scrape right here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yes, sir! Let's go. Is that your first one? Yeah, on that. Let's go. That was a nice little scrape right there.
It's okay. I wanted to do a white back fender.
Why? No, I think it looks dope with a little one.
No, yeah.
Just don't make it how mine was, where it freaking rips the whole fender off. Bro, when you were there, you were like so close, and then you just let it a little bit more, and I was like, there it goes. Oh, in the rut, bro. I'm surprised you didn't flinch more, bro. You got trust in me.
Oh, yeah.
Anything I gotta know about this quad?
Supermoto's perfect, man. It's touchy though, yeah.
Bruh.
That gas, press that into it.
Oh, thumb throttle, let's go.
Let's go, man. Okay, got the rear brake right there, front brake.
Got stuck in that ditch right there. Woo, bro, this thing is touchy. Bro, that thumb throttle, bro, is so sensitive. Get her going, bro. Bro, let's go! I feel like I'm in Compton right now, bro. Bro, I got hit with so much sand. Let's go! Oh my God! Jay was coming in. What's up?
From like more south a little bit.
Private property or city property.
Really? We had someone else come out and they said it was fine. Like if we just stay, you know, not like going crazy on the road and stuff. It was an officer, yeah. Because there's so many people, you know, that are out here. It's better than being on the road.
Yeah, I remember one time somebody was saying something like, as long as we're like here and not on the road.
Yeah, as long as we don't go past that the highway.
You get like calls? Did you get like a call or something complaining?
We're out here for another reason. But,
All right, hey, we appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Bro, I seen you in the wheelie. I pulled out my phone right away, and I was like, I'm just gonna come with them, try to settle it. Yeah. But there's a big bump.
Got it!
What a goon, bro. We're hitting some off-roading. Got the whole gang coming in. Always on freaking Supermoto tires, dying in the sand. Let's go! What happened?
He just sprayed me.
Oh, he sprayed you?
Yeah, I didn't do it on purpose, man.
Ah, bro, you're you're soaked. Oh, what the hell? You okay?
Yeah,
What happened?
I fell.
Ah,
thank you, gentlemen.
of course. Oh my Lord! Bro, that was sketchy, dude! Bro, that little kid! Bro, I had to make a split-second decision right there, bro. I was so close to him. Bro, I was about to rip that turn, too. Alright, well now we know today is busy, so we gotta be chilling. What's up, bro?
Yeah?
What'd you say?
I said, MotoBroo?
Yes, sir.
Can I get a picture with you?
Yeah, of course, bro.
You want to go over there with like something?
Yeah, let's do it.
What's up?
How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, man. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Lars.
Lars?
Yeah.
Jared, man. This is my son, Brian.
Yeah, you're saying you watch.
Trying to run you down, man. You're trying to get
You say he watches the videos, so.
Having it out.
Oh, okay, really?
Are you recording?
Yeah, you want to say something?
Oh, he froze up.
He froze. It usually happens. They freeze up. Camera shy.
Man, that natural.
What's your channel name?
MotoBroo.
MotoBroo?
Yeah. Check it out.
How many subs do you got?
I got a couple.
What year is this again? 07?
06.
06? Doesn't have like 2021 graphics on it?
Yeah, it's a. Let's go. Bro, hey, I appreciate you watching the videos. Yeah, of course. I'll see you guys around. I'll be shredding. So we're probably gonna have a little group. So if you guys want to come along in a little bit, got a few homies coming. Bro, we got a little kid on. You leaving already?
Bro, I got work.
Ah.
Huh?
Are any of y'all running race gas?
BP 110 and a to mix it with a 9.
Bro, I could smell that right when I was behind y'all. I was like, damn, one of them's running some good gas. Alrighty, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was dope cruising around with the homies. Almost ran into a few people, but we lit. Remember to stay motivated. I freaking love you. Merch in the description down below. We posting bangers. Till next time. Peace.